Hey guys, this is the GoPro on the cap. As you can see, it's pretty slick. It's pretty cool. Yeah, you can just wear it around. It's really stable. You can shake your head, it won't come off. Yeah, it's really simple, and I'll show you how I made it step by step. So I've been using this this headband, and yeah, and don't really like wearing it in public and at the beach and stuff like that. So I'm trying to make something more simpler than this thing here. And you clip it onto the cap, and it looks okay. But the main problem with this one is when you actually put it on, your head, because it's so heavy at the front, it keeps on. It feels like it's going to come off the back of your head, and the balance is not right. So I stopped using this one because it just doesn't work. It's too heavy at the front. The balance is not right. So that's why I've decided to make my own one and drill it actually in onto the actual hat. So basically with your GoPro, you would have got two of these clips, one for the round helmet and a straight one. So basically I'm using this one here, and I just took off that 3M adhesive there so I can get a more thinner line, so when I put on the actual hat, that it's gonna be you know, a lot closer to the cap. So basically we're gonna drill 2 holes, one there, one there, one there, one there, and then put through a zip tie. What I've done here, you can actually, this one came with the box, so you should have got that came in the box from here. That should have attached to the box up here. So what you can do is basically get this off, and then just practice with this plastic one here first. That's what I did, and then make sure this this thing here fits in properly into there, and that cannot be too high. So if it's too high, that won't clip through. So make sure you get a thin, small zip tie, and it should be good to go. Okay, just kind of just puncture. Ooh, be careful. And draw your fingers through. Okay. Make sure it comes through like that. Yeah, I've seen people drill like massive holes. You don't need to, just get it just enough so the zip tie goes through, and it's just really nice and neat. So basically you've got, you know, something like that. Yeah, that's pretty neat. So that's it. So it's really nice and neat, and also it's very, very thin. So the GoPro will just sit right on there, nice and low instead of coming up so high. And the back's pretty neat too. You can probably make that a little bit neater there.